Good morning, students of class 7th. Welcome you again. We are starting our new chapter, that is the chapter number 6, that is element, compound and chemical equations. Before starting the chapter, we will discuss about the important definition named as science. What is science? Science is defined as the study of nature and changes occurred in the nature or in matter. All the changes occurring in the matter is identified by a common name called science. So now we discuss what is matter. Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass. Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass. Examples are by pen, pencil, notebook, table, building. All are the examples of matter. So, how matter will form? Like building. To prepare building, the bricks are the smallest part which makes a building. Similarly, atoms are the smallest particles which makes matter. So we are defining atom. It is the smallest particle of matter which cannot be further divided. Atom comes from the Greek word that is atomos, which means indivisible, which generally means indivisible. Next we comes about the term element. Element is the basic form of matter, very basic term, which cannot be broken into simpler substances by chemical methods. So we define element is the substance which is made up of only one kind of atoms and which cannot be which cannot be further divided into simpler substance are known as element. For example, pure gold. Pure gold contains only atoms of gold, and all the atoms of gold are having similar physical and chemical properties. Similarly, if we take about the example of iron, all the atoms of iron are having same properties, that is near about like they shows magnetic properties. So all show the magnetic properties, all atoms show magnetic properties. There are 118 elements till now. There are 118 elements till now, out of which 98 elements are natural elements which are found in nature, and rest elements are prepared in laboratories. Oxygen is the most abundant element in the earth crust. When we found about the most abundant element in the earth crust, then it is the oxygen. These elements obtained from earth crust in the combined form, generally known as minerals form. We are also having one more term, that is ore. Ores are the naturally occurring solid materials from which metal or valuable minerals can be extracted profitably. So from ores are the naturally occurring substances, minerals are the valuable elements. To extract them, we are using the extraction process, and the extracted material is known as ore. Chemical symbols. To give the name or a symbol to these elements, starting with the scientist John Dalton, who used pictures to denote the element, picture symbols to denote the element. he used many pictures like zero या O for oxygen, circle and one dot for carbon. Similarly, there are last any more symbols are there, but they are very difficult to learn and write. So later on, symbols of elements will be made from the one or two letters of the name of that element, known as chemical symbols. Earlier, the name of symbols was given by a scientist who discovered them, but nowadays it was approved by the IUPAC. IUPAC, very important full form, please underline it and note down. IUPAC is the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. IUPAC is the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, which describes about the which approves the symbol of element, which is unique. Next we come to the naming of symbols. How the naming will occur by the IUPAC. Symbols of some elements are given in Latin words, given in German or in Greek words. For example, the symbol of iron is Fe. The symbol of iron is Fe, which is taken from the Latin word ferrum, which is taken from the word ferrum. Similarly, the symbol of potassium is K. The symbol of potassium is K, which is taken from the word kalium. The symbol of sodium is taken from the word natrium. So these are the some different names. So please underline this and note down. Only 3 words are enough for you. Rest are very easy. Some elements have the symbols which is related with the first letter of its name in English. For example, for the symbol of hydrogen, the very first letter H is used. For the carbon, C is used. For oxygen, O is used. Some elements have symbols starts with the first letter along with the second letter. Along with second letter means, like for the helium, the first 2 letters are taken, that is by the He. Keep in mind, the first letter of symbols, the first letter of symbol is always alphabetically bigger, and the second letter is always small. The first letter is capital and other is small. For the symbol of calcium, which is denoted by Ca, calcium, that is Ca. Symbols of some elements consist of first letter and the another apparent letter. It may be third letter or it may be fourth letter. For zinc, the zinc is made up of first and third letter. So Z and N, first and third. So symbol of zinc is Zn. Similarly, the first and third letter for the chlorine, C and L, which shows the symbol with first and third letter. After that, next we come to the very important topic. This is very important, please note down. That is about the molecules. This is about the molecules. When 2 or more atoms combined, when 2 or more same or different atoms combined chemically to form new substance are known as molecules. When 2 or more same or different atoms combines chemically to form new substances are called molecules. Example, O2. Only O is the oxygen element. Only O is the oxygen element. Here 2 elements of oxygen combines to form O2 molecule. Similarly, 2 molecules of hydrogen, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen combine to form water. 1 atom of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen combine to form carbon dioxide gas. So now we discuss about the types of molecules. Molecules are of 2 types. First is the molecule of element. When 2 or more same kind of atoms combine together to form molecule of element. When two or more same kind of atoms are present, then it is known as the molecule of element. If different kind of atoms are present, then it is known as the molecule of compound. So example, in molecule of atoms, it is the N2. N2 is the molecule of element. H2, that is hydrogen gas. The exact symbols are there, these. N2, that is nitrogen gas. N2, only N is nitrogen atom, N2 is nitrogen gas. Similarly, only H is hydrogen atom and H2 is a hydrogen molecule. That is the molecule of element, because same kind of atoms are there. But in case of molecule of compound, two or more different kind of atoms combine together to form molecule of compounds. Example, CO2, 1 carbon, 2 oxygen, different kind, molecule of compound. H2O, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, H2O, that is also molecule of compound. C6H12O6, this is the formula of glucose. So again it is the molecule of compound. So learn about these molecule of element and compounds. Thanks and have a nice day.